This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 27 U-Dinette Slide, rear 11 feet cargo area is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, air conditioning, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee Grey Wolf 27 U-Dinette Slide, rear 11 feet cargo area is 6,563 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.